Welcome back to another video. It is October the 5th. It is a beautiful day. Guys, do something great for yourself, like clean your face, self-care, management, all the time, every day. Okay? Do it for yourself. So guys, I'm just washing my face. I'm getting ready for my day, but I just wanted to jump on and welcome you guys to the channel, to the Simply Natural Black Life channel. If you're new here, welcome. At the end of this video, if you feel like it is worth subscribing, subscribe to my simple life, because it's a simple life that we all got to get through. Don't make it complicated, because it's simple, okay? It is simple. So guys, I'm using the Honest Company. Look at that. She's almost out pretty soon, which is good. Then I'll start my own stuff again, which I still incorporate in my beauty care, but yeah. Not a really beauty care, but just an overall what I do for my skin, okay? That is how, y'all, I started my own business. People asking me, what do you use on your skin? That's how y'all started, tip. So one day, when I have a Q&A and we have a giveaway, better remember that. So yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off my face. I got to brush my teeth, and we will see you all in the next part of the video. All right? Okay. All right. Guys, with the power of a camera, she's back. So she got her hair done. Hair is done. Face is done. So let's put on our Escada, well, inspiration of Escada. I don't want it to go to waste. I know it's something that I really would not use, but someone gave it to me as a gift, and I'm doing it. Just doing it. But yeah. Yeah, a little bit of tea time. If you need a little time off or a little time away, it's okay, guys. It is okay. Try to, if you can at all, break away from social media, whatever whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, television series that you might like, any of that stuff. If it's not serving you, sometimes the things that you think are serving you are really depleting you because it's making you sad. Everybody that you see, guys, that seem like they're happy and have it all together, it's not true. It's not. You have people who are sinking inside, who are dying inside. Don't look at everything you see on Instagram and all that stuff and take it as face value as, oh my God, well, look at me and all this stuff. Guys, it's not that. Take some time out for yourself. It is good to have a way of escape and get by yourself. Don't answer the phone. Don't get on social platforms. None of that stuff, because it can deplete you. So if that is you I'm talking to, take some time out for yourself. God does not want us all over the place. He doesn't want you all crazy in the mind. He wants you to be steadfast, unmovable in Him. So stay focused, y'all. Stay focused in Him and stay focused in that realm, and you'll have peace, unspeakable joy. I don't know who it was for, but I'm giving it to you. I'll see you in the next one. I got to go make me some juice. Cup of orange juice. Y'all, squeeze your own orange juice. You will never go back, okay? But guess what? Outfit of the day. Yeah, what you got to say? Huh? What you got to say? I'll see you guys later. Love you. Peace. It's about 6:45, so I'm just now literally getting home, maybe about 15-20 minutes ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. I do have some food on the stove, y'all, and I do plan on eating before it gets dark. It gets dark here in Ohio now about 7:30ish, and I do want to take a walk around the perimeter of my neighborhood. It's just in a circle, and it just leads me back home. But I want to do that. So I got food on the stove, and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to show you what I got, you guys, to show you what I'm going to do with what I got. So like I said yesterday, I ordered these things way before I had came up with the idea that I wanted to work on saving again, like I did some years ago. These boxes are taped so well. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys. I want to share something with y'all. Y'all know I always do. Oh, and I will post on Instagram. Follow me over there. Simply_natural_black. And I will post. I usually do post what I eat, what meals that I cook. Oh, these are it. Okay. So guys, this one here was something for my car. So it actually was some handle strips. So I already opened this one. But this one here is what we're opening today. And these are, let me push that back. Guys, I don't know if I told y'all, but in some videos back, I think I did mention to Helen H2 about this because I know she love buying these jars. These jars are from when you buy the kombuchas from the Aldis. These jars, guys, they are so cute. They have like little anchors on the back of them. I don't know if y'all can see that. Little engravings of anchors, but these make good for jars. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I did was I ordered these. These were 2 for $8, and they're stainless steel. These are the tops that will fit on here. How cool is that, guys? Now look, I can put this, and it comes with the little things. I can put this on my sink now. Look at that. How cool is that? So they do fit. Make sure that you do measure these here to fit on your around the insert here. Make sure that be able to fit in there. So that's what I wanted to show y'all guys. So I got 2 of these and I'm gonna love it. And they came earlier than I thought, so I'm really happy about that. So guys, look at that. And all I gotta do is add the little things on it. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you all enjoy. Like I said, I will place on there. I'll show you guys this later in another video this week how they look, because I'm gonna put lotion and soap in one, and then I think I'm gonna put shampoo in another one, extra one that I have. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tea time. I will see you guys in another video really soon. Peace and love, guys. Look at that, $8, y'all. So I'll see you guys. Remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Don't forget now, follow me on Instagram and you will see my meal of the night. Bye, y'all.